Alright boys, good morning. Today is Thursday and we are doing our chart breakdown. So we are currently running in this beautiful gold position right here, which acts as a simple continuation play of yesterday's position, which you can barely see is down here. Obviously price picked up on the momentum, right, which is a common pattern with gold. It has periods of time in which the ATR, so pretty much the moving average, it's low, so the movements are not so strong, the volume is not so strong, and then it has periods of time in which it picks up on very strong momentum, right, on very strong volume. And this is one of those times, right? Price picked up on strong volume, and yesterday we managed to catch this beautiful position, break, retest, go. It's that simple, right? Beautiful continuation play, beautiful 4-hour reverse head and shoulders, daily double bottom, beautiful shift of structure, just a continuation of the strong bullish momentum that has initiated during the night. So we went over that trade. Price ended up tapping a 1 to 14 risk to reward on yesterday's position, yet since we were working on the survival cash flow job, we were not actively seeing the type of momentum we were dealing with, so we did not get to capitalize off of more, but that's completely fine, right? We went for the safe approach and it played out, right? Price then just kept on going, breaking above this strong 4-hour relevant minor AOI, right? Price had rejected it, using it as both as support and as a resistance multiple times. There, right? Before offering the entry signal, and we have just executed on it, right? Which is just the way you shall act. Your edge, if your edge is there, right? First of all, identify that and then act on it. It's that simple. It's a framework. I keep on repeating it, but that's trading really, right? You need a system, and then you need to follow that system ruthlessly, right? And the system also needs to include continuous improvement, right? Based on the data you gather from the markets, because the markets change, you must learn to adapt. Cool. So this is gold. Break, retest, entry signal, go. It's that simple. 1 hour had retested the previous structure point. Beautiful higher high, higher low sequence, multiple lower wicks, multiple rejections of RAY, also liquidity grab under before having the entry signal, which was composed by this 15-minute shift of structure. Beautiful double bottom right there. The price had broken below the neckline temporarily, grabbing liquidity from below the main AOI, right, for forming multiple dojis with big lower wicks, followed by a bullish engulfing, beautiful morning star formation, right? So it's a candlestick pattern, and then we executed on it right away. Price needed just some more local liquidity before starting to move to the upside. It is now approaching a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and the 1 hour looks very good. It's about to close as a bullish engulfing, confirming this double bottom pattern, right? So these are the positions we took yesterday and today, and that's absolutely beautiful. We also have NZD card on which we have taken a loss, right? We also have to showcase that. I always like including full transparency over this chart breakdowns, and that's just the reality of it. You will take losses, which are business expenses. You must be willing to take, right, fully, emotionally as well. Otherwise, you simply won't be able to perform in this game, right? And so we had this beautiful trade line, pretty much the same thing: high low sequence, break and retest, beautiful rejection, entry signal on RAY. Yet price had other plans, right? We are about to have the daily pair shift of structure, and in that case our buy shifts for shorts on this pair right here, right? Weekly reacts to that very strong AOI, and so we simply wait to see what price has to bring. So we are not interested in this anymore, right? Our idea got unvalidated. We had for our berry shift of structure as well, double tap right there. It's actually not confirmed yet, is it? Yes, it is. Right, so we had the break below the previous high low. That's the high low right there. We had the break below it. That's a shift of structure, right? That's a ascending trend, right, moving to the upside. higher high, higher low, higher high, and then price had broken below the previous high low, meaning the trend had shifted to bearish. We always trade with the trend, and in this case we are simply not interested. Cool. Now we simply hold our gold position, but for now it looks very good, and I will be making an update on this. Cool. For now this has been Shoni. Keep on striving for greatness, brother, because you are meant for it and absolutely nothing less. Let's go, bro.